In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to create highlighted text in Capcut on a PC. Let's start with the first method, which involves using the mask tool. Begin by adding your picture or video to the timeline, then duplicate it by holding Alt and dragging it upward to create a copy. Next, disable the bottom layer by clicking the eye icon. Right-click on the top layer, select Mask, and choose the rectangle tool. Adjust the mask to cover the text you want to highlight, and for a smoother appearance, add some feathering and round the corners. Once the mask is ready, reactivate the bottom layer by turning its visibility back on. Then, go to the Basic tab and set keyframes for the opacity. Start with 30% opacity, maintain it until near the end, and then bring it back to 100% in the final frame. This creates a smooth transition for your highlighted text. For the second method, we'll use text effects. Start by adding your media to the timeline and go to the text section. Add a new text layer by clicking the plus icon and type 2 underscores in the text box. Change the color of the underscores to your preferred highlight color, such as yellow. Scroll to the uniform scale option, disable it, and resize the underscores so that their height fully covers the text and the width aligns perfectly. Next, go to the Animation tab. Select the Wipe Right animation and set its duration to around 1 second for a smooth effect. To highlight additional lines, hold Alt, drag the highlight layer to duplicate it, and position it over the new text. Once everything is aligned, right-click on the text layers and choose Create Compound Clip. Finally, change the blend mode to multiply to seamlessly integrate the highlights. And that's it! You now know 2 easy ways to create highlighted text in Capcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more content, and stay tuned for more creative tips. Have a great day!